Hey guys, so let's do a flip over sew in. So we're gonna start. I just color her roots to match her hair, and I start off by putting my Fenty leave-in conditioner in it. It's so moisturizing. So here is the braid down for a flip over sew in. It's like really simple. So here's the braid down for it. It's straight to the back plus my little braid in the front where I do my little flip over 1-2. So I go in and I sew it, and I always take it through, well, underneath the weft, and then I double knot it like you see me doing there. And then I'm just gonna pull this track around and go in a U up until it's time to do my little flip over 1-2. So now that I've sewed everything in, here is the perimeter braid that I'm about to take down and where the flip over magic happens. I was unaware that my phone cut off half of her head. I really hate that it did that. But this is about as much leave out as you actually need. You don't need like a whole lot of leave out. You just need enough leave out to be able to cover up the tracks in the front. As you can see, her hair looks super natural. I'm so mad that it got cut off, but you definitely get my point. So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and straighten out her leave out on this side with my Babyliss 1-inch flat iron. So I'm going to go in. I've already put heat protection on it, straighten it out, and make sure that I get it good and straight. And her hair is naturally curly, so like on wash days and things like that, she'll just do water and mousse and be fine. But, you know, for today we're gonna make it look really glamorous, and I wanted to showcase the back of this hair. So this is Burmese curly from tpextensions.com. So now that I have everything like all straightened out, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna take a one curler that's about 7/10, I think is the size. It's really small, and I sprayed some spritz on it from Design Essentials, which I'm gonna link in my Amazon store front. I'm gonna link it here, and I'll link the hair page here for this Burmese curly. So she's had this hair probably about 3 years, and we just keep adding bundles to it, and it does so well. So I'm just gonna make sure I spray and hold. That's the key to a good tight one curl, is to make sure you hold it. And then when I release it off of there, I'm just gonna hold it in my hand like that so that it can keep the curl and be tight. Okay, so now that I've done that all across the front, I really didn't even do too much to the back. It didn't take long at all to blend everything together, and this is how it turned out. Like, this is so crispy. Like, this is her look. She loves this look. It's effortless, it's easy, low maintenance, perfect for summer. You need to definitely get you some hair and get into a flip over sew in. She can flip it over either way, do middle part, all the things, and it's just perfect. So get into a flip over for the summer.